Welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to take that brake caliper apart, because the problem I've got is the back wheel isn't spinning freely as it should. So one of two problems is occurring. Your caliper slide isn't sliding properly. The piston is caked up with crap and you need to clean it desperately. So what I'm going to do, disconnect that brake hose that goes into the caliper, then take the caliper apart, check the piston and then check that brake slide for any damage or dirt. So let's take this brake caliper apart and let's do this. So the first things first, you want to unscrew that bleeder where I'm pointing at now, and then that fluid hose that sits above it, which I'm pointing at now, is you got to take that off as well, which might be a bit, if yours is a bit rusty, it might be a bit of trouble. But the good thing is, if you've got WD-40, use it, because it lubes everything up and you can unbolt and unscrew everything much easier. Another thing I will point out as well, take these pads out, and there are 2 hex bolts right in the centre, so I would recommend taking these out before you do take the whole thing apart. I'm not going to take this caliper apart just yet because I have a can of WD-40 and I'm going to use it up. I'm going to let it sit overnight and see where I'm at. This bracket was really hard to take off, couldn't get it off because all the bolts and everything were rusty. As you can see, I'm literally standing on the bloody thing, so yeah. So that bracket I'm holding in my left hand now, you can take that off. It's only held in by a screw. Just look at how dirty this caliper is. This caliper needs a good clean. And just pulling out the nuts and bolts, they're just really rusty where just water's got to it, and obviously everything's not sealing properly. So I've got to get that rubber boot out, got to get that piston, that's got to come out. And then I've got to get some pressure in the back where that fluid hose goes in, get some air down there, and then that piston should come out. So guys, basically what I've done, as you can see here, is absolutely minging. I've managed to get the piston out in the end. It needs a good clean. It needs new rubber seals in it, as you can see in there. And then let's turn this upside down. As you can see in there, there's a dust seal that sits on this end perimeter, and then in there you got just a normal seal, which allows the pistons to move up and down freely. Basically, that end dust seal is absolutely cooked, and it was holding the piston back, and it wouldn't come out. So yeah, I need to give this a good clean, give that a good clean in there, get some brake cleaner, and then just re-grease everything up. As you can see here, the bracket is absolutely seized up. Yeah, minging. So as you can see, these are absolutely filthy. Let's go ahead and give these a good clean. So guys, that is everything nearly cleaned up. I literally need to order some new pads, order a new piston because it's damaged. These pads got a lot of meat on, but they're damaged, so I need to order some more. I've gone over these with a scotch pad, all the nuts and bolts and everything, all the pins. Gone over these with a scotch pad, and yeah, I've been using this brake cleaner, which has helped a lot. And yeah, this is it's much cleaner than what it was, but I need to grease everything up, and yeah, hopefully stuff will stop sticking when I do get this new piston. And yeah. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and comment your thoughts on me disassembling this brake caliper. Got to wait for the order to come through. If the videos are not out by Friday, it would definitely be the start of next week. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.